Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my skin polishing routine at home. It is super cheap and it works like magic. You don't need to go to any salons. This routine has changed my skin texture completely. So what I do at home is personal microdermabrasion, dermaplaning and IPL, and then I treat my skin how I need to treat it. And this routine just once a month will keep your skin looking fresh, young, and really soft and really supple. So the first step that I do is dermaplaning. So dermaplaning is essentially shaving your face, but there are a few good points to this. So what this will do is it will not only get rid of peachy fuzz on your face, but it will also get rid of dead skin cells, and it will actually exfoliate your skin. So if you've never done this before, then just think about it, because it's been really good for me. But I think the other reason that it suits me is because I've got professional hair removal. I've done IPL on my skin and I don't really get too much hair anyways, so the extra peachy fuzz that does come once in a while, it's really good for that. So this dermaplaning not only helps with your skin, but when you apply your makeup or your foundation, you will notice that your skin is so smooth, and just the makeup goes on so much better. So this is what I start off with. I essentially will do this routine at night because it can irritate your skin a little bit, because obviously you're taking off so much dead skin that I would recommend doing it at night. And if you are doing this, please make sure that you are wearing SPF 30 to 50 plus the next day, because your skin will be sensitive to the sun. So after I do dermaplaning, the next thing that I do is microdermabrasion. So microdermabrasion is such a good thing that you can do at home. You can do them at salons. It's not too expensive as well. But I've just got a PMD, which is a personal microdermabrasion device. So I got this maybe 1 or 2 years ago. It's very affordable. I think it was about $50. They range from $50 to $100. If you want a fancy one, it will be a bit more expensive, but I think they all do the same thing. So a microdermabrasion device has a diamond tip, and then when you open it, it has filters. So you just have to change these filters, because this actually captures your dead skin. And the microdermabrasion device, when you start it, you can make it different strengths, and it has a sucking motion. So it will get rid of your dead skin, it will exfoliate your skin, but it will also clean deep in your pores and really suck out all the bacteria, all the dirt, all the sebum and everything. So I highly recommend doing this once a month. If you want to go to a salon to do this, that's fine as well, but I don't have time because I'm traveling all the time. I have a kid. I really don't have time to go to a salon. So this is my lifesaver. This device has been really good. So I've been using this for a while, and it's cleared my pores, and it just keeps my skin looking really fresh. So then I do this. You want to do this on cleansed skin. So after you do the dermaplaning, cleanse your skin or wipe it down with a makeup wipe or something like that. And then I'm gonna start doing this upwards. Make sure you do it upwards, because it's sucking your skin. You want to lift your face. You want to look younger. I generally would do this for about 5 minutes. So when I do the microdermabrasion, after that I just do treatments and then I go to sleep. The treatments that I apply are hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and these two are the ones I apply. I don't apply any acids whatsoever. Your skin is way too sensitive for acids. Don't apply glycolic acid, don't apply lactic acid. Niacinamide is so mild, it won't react to your skin, and so is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is great. It will keep your skin looking moisturized, and it won't dry out your skin. The reason I'm recommending hyaluronic acid is because obviously you're exfoliating so much. A lot of people will get dry skin, but the hyaluronic acid will make sure your skin is looking supple the next day. So I recommend moisturizing as well. Moisturizing is essential, so you can use aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera is really great. Or this one is one I've been using in Pakistan. So this is Nivea Soft Face Moisturizer, and it has been really good. The other thing I do is I apply a face oil. Face oil is 100% important after these 2 treatments because your skin will get dry. You can use any face oil according to your skin type. This is the one I have used today. So this is a vitamin C and squalene rose oil by Biossance. This is a very good oil. This oil will not make your skin greasy, like it absorbs into your skin. You can do face massage to complete your treatment and then go to sleep. So the next day or 2 days later, I finish off my routine with IPL. So IPL, which is light therapy, I've talked about it 100 times on my channel. I will link the videos below. You can watch them if you want to. So I do the IPL 1 or 2 days later because I don't want to like annoy my skin, and I don't want it to get irritated. So then I'll do the IPL and make sure that I don't have any hair coming out, and that is it. This is how I have smooth skin. Ignore those, but this is how 90% of the time my skin stays smooth, looking really clear and supple and just so good. You don't need to go to the salon for these treatments. You can do these at home. This is my routine of my skin polishing, and if you've enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit that bell icon, and make sure you leave a comment below on what you want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and take care. Bye. Bye. Ajo. Idul Ajo. Say bye. Bye. Bye.